Welcome to Inky Pinky Explorers.
Prince Peter and the Pancake Problem. Once upon a time, in a peaceful palace, there lived a picky prince named Peter. Peter loved pancakes. Not just any pancakes, though. His pancakes had to be perfect. Round, fluffy, and piled high with peach syrup. One morning, Peter's royal pancake chef, Patty, had a problem. The pancake pan had disappeared. "Oh no!" cried Peter. "What happened to the pancake pan?" Patty shrugged. "I don't know, Your Highness. I placed it on the purple table, and now it's gone." Peter decided to investigate. He put on his purple cape and picked up his magnifying glass. "Let's find that pan." Peter checked the pantry. No pan. He peeked under the piano. No pan. He even climbed the palace tower to look. Still no pan. Just as Peter was about to give up, he heard a strange sound coming from the garden. Plink, plink, plunk. Peter followed the sound and found Polly the peacock perched on a pile of pillows. And there, under Polly's tail, was the missing pancake pan. "Polly!" Peter exclaimed. "Why did you take the pancake pan?" Polly squawked. "I wanted a shiny perch for my picnic." Peter laughed and promised to get Polly her own shiny perch. He took the pancake pan back to Patty, and soon the palace was filled with the smell of perfect pancakes. From that day on, Prince Peter always double-checked the purple table, and Polly got her very own shiny perch. Phonics words with P. Prince Peter Pancake, Pan Palace, Purple Peacock Picnic.